Kid and Beyond, how to make butterbeer with Uncle Butterscotch. Woohoo! Hi guys, it's Kitty and Beyond, and this is Uncle Butterscotch.
Hi.
And we're making butterbeer, and this is butterscotch, and this is ice cream, and this is so with butter. No, with what's
We've
that?
got cream soda with butterscotch syrup.
Yeah.
We've got root beer with butterscotch syrup, and we have butterscotch ice cream.
Okay, and we have straws for when we're ready, and we have all 5 cups. So,
Shall we get started?
yeah.
All right. How about if I open the bottle and you scoop the ice cream?
Okay. Scoop the ice cream. I'm gonna do it in this cup. We'll go.
Now, should we pour some of this in?
Yeah.
What do you think is going to happen when we mix ice cream with cream soda? What's going to happen?
I think it's going to be like, it's gonna start with bubbles, and then it's just gonna look like a plain butterbeer.
Well, should we give it a shot and see what happens?
Yeah.
Okay, here goes. Let's see. Oh, look at all the bubbles it makes.
I told you.
Oh my.
Can we add more ice cream?
You can add more ice cream, yeah.
So much.
Whoa, that's a lot of bubbles. Let's see what happens if we mix the ice cream into the cream soda.
Okay.
All right, so let's set this one aside. You want to put a straw in it? What color straw should go in this one?
Can we do like each color?
Each color, it should be different so that we
I like
know.
yellow.
Okay, we're going to do yellow for the first one.
Yeah.
And we can keep our experiments separate if we use a different color for each glass.
Yeah.
You want to try it?
Yeah.
See if it tastes like butterbeer.
It does.
Oh, good. Now, let's try pouring this in to this glass.
And then we're gonna put.
And now you can put the ice cream in.
Yeah. First,
See what
let me just
happens.
mix this up. Okay.
Okay, I'm going to move this out of the way just so it doesn't get spilled.
Yeah.
Okay,
So if we're like doing this, we don't knock it over.
that's right. Now, let's see what happens when the ice cream plops in it.
It turns like the other one.
It does, but the bubbles stay on top.
I know.
The bubbles don't start from the bottom and go up, they stay on top, so that's different. I think that looks a little bit more like butterbeer. Didn't butterbeer have bubbles up on the top?
Mm-hmm.
I think this looks more like it. Put a little more ice cream in and see what happens. Now, what color straw do you want for this one?
One more big, ginormous scoop.
Okay, you can do it. Whoa, that is a big scoop. Okay, now try the straw. What color do you want for this one?
green.
Green this time, okay. How does this one taste?
It tastes like butterbeer.
Do they taste the same or do they taste different?
They taste different.
That's interesting. All right. What are we going to do to change the experiment?
So we're gonna put like, so inside the root beer thing, so inside here with all of these ingredients.
So we're going to add a third ingredient.
Yeah.
Okay, we can do that. Why don't we start the way we started last time? You put the ice cream in first.
Oh, ooh. Yeah.
You're really good at scooping there.
Ooh.
I think you've got a summer job in your future. You can use your finger to scrape it off. There, all right, now, here comes the cream soda. Let's see what happens. Does it bubble again?
Yeah, bubbles.
All right. I think that's about the same amount as we did before. Now,
Let's do the Oso.
we're going to do some Oso root beer with butterscotch. It's oh so delicious. At least that's what it says on the bottle.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. You pour a little bit in. All right, that's good.
Yes.
All right, now stir it. We need a new color straw. What color do you want to use this
I
time?
want pink.
Pink, all right. Stir it around.
And then orange is gonna be last. It tastes more like root.
Tastes more like root beer than butterbeer?
Yeah.
Oh, well, that's interesting. Let's let our mystery taste tester have a taste and see what he thinks.
I think he
Okay.
likes it. This is Dad's
Orange soda.
Dad's orange soda, and we're gonna mix it up with this and this.
All right, should we
And
start?
ice cream.
Why don't we do the soda first?
Can you scoop the ice cream because
Sure.
my hand's getting tight?
Okay, why don't you pour a little bit?
Okay, that I think that's enough.
Okay, that's good.
Wait, I'm a little more.
A little more? All right. Now, we'll try the orange soda in there too. All right, try some of the orange soda. Good. All right. Now, you
Now
want
it
me
looks like my baby cousin's little favorite color.
that looks a little more butterbeerish, I think. Let's put this in.
Yeah, but
What happens?
It falls, and then it turns bubbly.
Whoa.
It turns bubbly like real butterbeer. Now that looks like the real butterbeer that I had at Universal.
Now, what color straw should we have?
I already picked it. This one.
Okay.
Ooh.
Well, that's a frothy drink.
Sip it quick.
Hey.
How does that taste?
It tastes more like butterbeer.
Is that the best one so far?
Yeah.
Should we have our mystery taste tester try it?
Yeah.
Okay, here, mystery taste tester. Now, how do you compare the mms? Which of those two sounded better?
I think this one sounded
think
better
that
than all of them.
All right, I think we've got butterbeer. Should we try one last one and just mix everything together? All right.
And finale, we're gonna put all of them together. So let's.
All right. Here's the butterscotch. Remember, we have to mix them all together, so you can't put too much of any of them in. Good. All right. Now the root beer. That's enough.
Ooh,
Now the orange.
this one makes it bubble.
Okay, that's good. Now the ice cream.
I'm scared what happened.
Oh, I know. Here we go. What's going to happen? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off.
No, it's gonna overflow. And then
The black straw.
get the black.
Oh, there you go.
Drink it, drink it.
What do you think?
Keep
This is-
going.
I think that looks like a witch's brew. Which one do you like the best?
the black straw.
All right, we have a winner.
Mystery. There's 2 mysteries now.
2 mystery testers. Here we go.
Ooh, that one's really bubbly. Yeah. It looks like beer. Yum, yum. So, thumbs down for
All right, so
Thumbs down
number
for-
1. Who gives a thumb up for number 1?
me.
We've got 3 thumbs up for number 1. Number 2. Nobody. Number 3. Oh, we've got 2 for number 3. Number 4.
The best one.
And number 5. Oh, we have all thumbs down. I think it's either number 3 or number 4 are the winners.
So which one was number 4?
Number 4 was the orange and the butterscotch together. Number 3 was the root beer and butterscotch together.
So I think I would cheer for the pink strawed one. But my most favorite was this one because that's the one that I remember from Harry Potter Land. Go check out that video. And thank you, Mr. Butterscotch.
You're welcome.
Make sure to subscribe, give me a huge thumbs up, and ring that bell. Bye.